sunshine this morning, but our sun did it. It's raining outside. We may have to stay inside again for recess, but that'll be okay, because we can do it, can't we? Darn, we're going to have to tell that sun to come out, aren't we? You think we need to tell the rain to go away? Yeah, I think we should too. You guys know the little song? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Yes, you do. Can we say that together? Are you ready? Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. Yeah, we want the sun, don't we, so we can go outside and play. But it'll be okay. We can stay in today. All right? Well, let's get started this morning. I'm a good American and proud I want to be. Would you please stand and face the flag and say the pledge with me? Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Oklahoma salute, salute, pledge. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people. And now it's time for our one moment of silence, and that's that time for everybody in here to have one moment of quietness. We get to think about our day, think about what we're going to be learning, or just pray. One moment. Let's be really quiet. Let's begin now. Thank you. Oh my goodness, that was awesome. You guys do a great job. Your teachers can't believe that you can do that. That was great. All right, now it's time for our Washington Pre-K Pre. So put up your hands. This is like our pledge for how we're going to behave at Washington Pre-K today. Are you ready to say it with me? I'm a Washington Pre-K Cub. I pledge to be kind, to use the nicest words I can find. I am special and bright. I will work with all my might. There is no one I'd rather be than me. Oh, good job, friends. Now you're going to have to stay standing because this is our fun Friday, and we have a little song we're going to do. I know you guys have done head, shoulders, knees, and toes. We're going to do that one, but it's got a few other things added to it. So we're going to have to be moving this morning and get all of our muscles going and joints moving. So teachers, you're going to be moving now at the end. So we're going to try this. I know you've probably done it in class already. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. All right, are you ready to kind of start moving?
You open the door and you take a big spin. Slap your heels and you slap your knees. Why don't you do the head and shoulders with me? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Ooh, that's fast.
First is the same as the first.
Ready?
Knock, knock, and I say come in. You open the door and you take a big spin. Slap your heels and you slap your knees. Why don't you do the head and shoulders with me? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. All right, we're going to try some new body parts this time, and we're going to start off very slowly. Neck, elbows, hips and feet. Hips and feet. Neck, elbows, hips and feet. Hips and feet. And thighs and rears and lips and teeth. Neck, elbows, hips and feet. Hips and feet. Will you knock, 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 and I say come in. You open the door and you take a big spin. Slap your heels and you slap your knees. Why don't you do the neck and elbows with me?
Ready?
Neck,
can do it.
Well, you
We're having a hard time.
in a safe command. You open the door and you take a big spin. Slap your heels and you slap your knees. Why don't you do the neck and elbows with me? Neck, elbows, hips and feet, hips and feet. Neck, elbows, hips and feet, hips and feet. And thighs and rears and legs and teeth. Neck, elbows, hips and feet, hips and feet. Neck, elbows, hips and feet, hips and feet. Neck, elbows, hips and feet, hips and feet.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Where are your hips? Here. And we find our hips and our feet and back to our hips. That's a lot of body parts today. What do we do with our hips? Do we do a little hip hip hooray with it? We do, don't we? Why don't we do that since we're talking about our hips? Are you ready? Hip, hip, hooray! You guys did a great job this morning. Thank you. All right, it's ready to go. We're ready to go forth and learn.